Hello and welcome to Relevant Technologies present Software Testing Simplified course, 5 steps to land your first job in software testing for beginners. And my name is Vasudha Rala. I was in your shoes once. When I started out as manual software tester, I had no idea what software quality assurance meant. I had recently graduated with computer engineering major, and I had a coding experience and I tested my own code, but I had no idea what software testing career was. I had landed my first job in testing by chance and ended up staying in this field for over 18 years now. I am now an automation architect, a trainer, and a mentor. And I believe I learned a thing or two that I can share with the curious minds like you who want nothing but the best. One thing I learned why my learning in the initial days was so difficult was because most people make a simple subject more complicated when they themselves don't understand the concepts well. And there are a lot of comprehensive courses out there. You can check them out. You'll also see that these courses are long and seem to have a lot of depth. They even make you feel that you're getting a great deal for your money. But is it really worth your time? You need to check your retention level to figure that out. That is why we kept our courses short and of a high quality, so you get the maximum value for your time, because we know your time is precious. If we don't meet your expectations, please let us know and we can try to make it better. This course is for total beginners who want to check out and know the path to land a job in this field fast with some hands-on practical lessons. So let's check out what those 5 steps are.